How to filter features by Azure DevOps Team. Organizations use Azure DevOps area paths to identify the features for teams. In Kendis, Team Filter only works when you have a story assigned to a team. In Kendis, before or during PI planning, when teams want to view features assigned to them in Azure DevOps, they can follow these steps. Click on the search. Select More Filters. Under Feature option, select Area Path. Choose the area path of the team. Features matching the criteria will appear on the board. To plan easily for a team, go to the individual team area. Just to focus on the stories, click on the By Story view. To change features to another team, simply click on the Area Path filter and change the selection. You may select more than one area path to filter. Area path is visible on each feature card in detail and edit views. Click on the Reset filter to view all features.